Ram Madhavji, let's speak about some specifics now, because the tone has been set. We know what the issue is. We know there is a competition between countries, like you yourself said. It's a region that is hotting up right now. Since we have the ministers of these two beautiful countries, list for us briefly, Ram Madhavji, what the expectations would be from the Indian side. Then we'll get their expectations from India. What are India's expectations from these countries in what we are seeing right now in the Indian Ocean, especially in view of what's happening with China?
I think more than India's expectations from our neighborhood countries, their expectations from us also are equally important. Because
I'll ask them both that next.
We are all sovereign equals, I admit that, but yet India is a big country having bigger presence in the Indian Ocean region. You see, you notice the words like, protecting, or such words when you hear, or neutrality, they indicate the stress of smaller countries in the region. Why the talk of neutrality comes? Because when you force them to choose, they want a choice to be made, then there will be pressure on countries. So countries like India, countries like China, USA, our utmost important responsibility is not to thrust choices on other countries in the region. Rather, we have to give them confidence that we all can work together. India has been working in that direction. Having said it, since the region is hotting up, we need to make sure that we only work towards greater prosperity of all of us, peace, security. Towards that end, time we worked on a code. I passingly mentioned about submarines in this region. Yes. Today dozens of them are there. They make port calls, some in Maldives, they make port calls in Sri Lanka. India doesn't allow any major port calls, but other countries, Indian ships make port calls in other countries. Now, do you know a submarine today with nuclear-fitted missiles? Dozens of them are operating. You don't have any code. One critical situation arises. Suppose one submarine is noticed for aggressive action. It's going to be targeted. The first thing that the captain will do is to release that torpedo or release that missile. How do you handle it? So this hotting up of the situation calls for urgent putting together of minds to come up with a proper code. The existing code, the ICLAS, the UNCLOS, is not acceptable to countries like China. It's unfortunate. But then if it is not acceptable, if you think that it is a European imposition on us, Western imposition on us, come together, let us develop one. That is why India has always been saying our approach should be Sagar approach. Security and growth for all in the region. So all their concerns have to be taken into account. We have to seriously come up with a proper code. These mini-laterals that we are creating, Quad, TPP, RCEP, these are all good. But we all have to together now come up with a 21st century law that guides our actions of the individual countries in this entire region. I think towards that end, India has to make greater contribution.